everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader for free. So I just get started and started. So go to your browser for that, and once you go to browser, you can go over, type in Adobe Acrobat, hit enter, and you should be finding their official site directly. Head over to this one right here, get.adobe.com. Once you reach over here, this is the only official and free download page available. So you can directly find an option called Download Acrobat Reader. So find this option right here and select it. Before selecting it, you can even look out for these options and include it if you prefer and select Download. Once that is done, you should be finding the .exe file. You can open up the file location. And all you gotta do is double click on it to install it on your device. So get permissions, and once you get permissions, you can just go and wait for some minutes and it should directly be installed on your device. So you can wait for some seconds or minutes for that, and there we go. And then once it is downloaded, installed, you should be finding this particular interface. You do not need to sign in if you want to just view the PDF, but if you want to go ahead and want cloud storage, fill and sign sync document sharing, you need to sign in. For that, look after the sign in option at the top and select it, and just use up your credentials in order to sign in, and that's how you basically do it. So this is how you basically go ahead and install the Adobe Acrobat Pro for Adobe Acrobat for free. So if this video was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching this video.